Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening System Settings from the Apple menu. This is the single supported path for current macOS. Once open, navigate to Wallpaper or Appearance depending on version. Make sure the image you want is accessible in Finder or Photos. This avoids delays. If your Mac is managed or locked, unlock or authenticate now so changes stick. You're doing this to ensure system-level wallpaper syncing and correct resolution. So go ahead and open Wallpaper now and prepare to select your image. Now select the Wallpaper pane and choose where your picture lives. Built-in, Photos, or drag an image from Finder into the preview area. You'll see layout options, fill, fit, center, and dynamic versus static modes. Pick what preserves image quality and aspect ratio. Once done, adjust positioning and scale until the preview looks right. This makes sure important parts of the image aren't cropped. Also check if Change Picture interval is enabled and disable it if you want a consistent single wallpaper. Finish by clicking Done or simply closing System Settings. The wallpaper applies system-wide for your account. If the image reverts or looks low-res, make sure display resolution matches the image and that you change the wallpaper for the correct user account. If it still won't update, restart the dock process or sign out and back in to force refresh. These quick steps fix most issues. If syncing from iCloud Photos causes a delay, wait a minute and confirm the file is fully downloaded before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.